everyone, it's Nicole Martell with my Creative Scrapbook. Today I'm showing a layout using the April main kit. It's a multi-photo layout with lots of layers, and I'll be playing with all the beautiful embellishments that came with the kit. It's super pretty. I love all the dimension and texture on this layout. It's so gorgeous. So I'm going to show you how I put this together. And it's super simple. To begin, I'm using two 3x4 photos. I started out with the intention of using 3, and I was going to use the screen pattern paper as the base. And while I started cutting it, I cut it too small. So then my initial design went out the window. So I'm not going to be using this cut for this layout. Maybe I'll use pieces of it on a different project, but yeah, so we're not using that one. Then I'm going to go ahead and grab this one. I'm going to cut off the white edges, and I'm going to cut this down to measure 7.5 by 10 inches. And then I was going to do that, use the green one, but I didn't want to cover all the starburst design. I was trying to savage that paper, but that's not going to work. So I'm going to go ahead and grab another piece of paper that I can use for the back, just so I can have a nice border. And I'm going to cut this down to measure 8.5 by 11. This one I'm going to cut down. It was not cut to 7.5 by 10. And I'm going to cut that down just so that it fits right in the middle of the 8.5 by 11. I'm going to go ahead and mount this down. And I just love this paper. It's so pretty. So I'm going to go ahead and add this right here, like so. And then I'm going to grab my photos, and I'm trying to get my thoughts together on a design here. Initially I was going to use the 3 photos, and I'm moving around the paper to kind of get an idea of what I want to do. And then I grab my scissors and I cut out the tags, because I do like to add those on my layout. So I'm trying to think about what I want to do while I'm doing this. And I'm not sure what you do when you're processing these layouts, but do you have a plan before you head into it, or do you just go with it? Because I'm totally winging it this time. So I'm going to go ahead and place these up at the top. I don't really like those, but I'm just going to set them there for now. And I'm just trying to figure out what I'm going to do. So normally what I do is I lay down the embellishments and I just start moving around the photos once I get an idea of what I want to use. So I had already pulled a few die cuts aside that I thought I wanted to use on this layout, and I am not able to do this. Like, the design is not what I had pictured. So then I thought maybe I could still make it work and do it at like a collage style layout. And so I'm moving things around, trying to get my thoughts together, and I'm not happy with it. So I'm thinking it's just because I have too many photos. So I'm going to go ahead and just grab 2 of the photos, and I'm going to work with what I have here, and it should be easier. So I love the butterflies. I'm going to move those around, and then I want to add some flowers. So now that I know I'm only using 2 photos, I'm going to go ahead and add some embellishment. I'm not mounting anything down yet. I'm just trying to get an idea of what I want to do with the actual layout. And so now I'm just pulling some more embellishments out. I love this, and I'm going to use this as my title. But it got lost at the bottom with the pattern, so then I decided I'm going to go ahead and just place it across the 2 photos. Alright, and so I'm just moving around my embellishments just to make it work. I love this little flower, and I'm going to go ahead and pop it right at the top there with the butterfly, and I'm going to keep it the way it looks. And then I have this. I was going to tuck it on the bottom, but that just seemed a little too much, and it got lost, so we're going to do something else with that. I'm going to cut it down later and tuck it up at the top. So now that I have the design in mind, I'm going to go ahead and start mounting everything down that I can at this time. So I'm going to go ahead and pop these down here, and I'm going to mount a tag down with the photo. okay? And I'm being very careful not to lose the placement of everything so that everything looks the way I had it. I'm going to go ahead and put this tag in the photo down, and I like that. Okay, and then I'm going to glue this down. It doesn't need a whole lot of glue, just a little bit. Tucking that right there. And the glue dries clear, so I'm not too worried about it. If the glue seeps through, we won't see it once it's dry. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and I'm gluing the butterflies at the center only so that the wing can pop up. That way it's not flat against the layout, because I like to have texture and dimension on the layout. And I'm just gluing everything down. I'm going to glue this sentiment here and glue the butterfly and pop the wings up. And then I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit of glue, and I'm going to glue this across the two layouts very carefully so I don't lose the placement. And I love that. It's pretty. Yep, perfect. Okay, and then I was trying to dab off some of the excess glue, but it'll dry clear, so it'll be okay. And then I added some stars, and then for this I'm going to cut it down, and I'm going to just tuck it up there behind the leaves. Just because I felt like it needed another flower up there. And then I like the stars. I'm going to add a few more on here. Pop those out. Alright, and then I'm just looking for some sentiment to put here. I'm going to pop this up with a foam square or strip just to add dimension. And then I'm going to add some buttons on here, trying to figure out what I want to do. Tucking that right under there. And then I'm going to add another star right there. I love this, it's so pretty. And then I'm going to add some string in the tag here. And as you can see, this came together quickly once I had my design down. Usually it takes me forever to figure out what kind of design I want to work with. Alright, and then I was going to add something else at the top left corner, but then I feel like I don't need anything else. I feel like it's a good layout. I'm going to go ahead and add another butterfly. For whatever reason, I feel like I need 2 or 3 butterflies, or it doesn't look right. So I have them floating throughout the layout. And then I'm just doing a quick run through the die cuts to see if I wanted to add anything else. But there's my layout, and I love it, and I hope you were inspired. Thanks for watching. Take care.